Welcome to the top 5 auto advice. NOx are now nitrogen oxide sensors. They also count the amount of nitrogen oxides in the exhaust gases. They are typically found only on diesel vehicles and were previously present on some stratified charged gasoline engines. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that the SCR is operating properly. Alternatively, there is the selective catalyst reduction system. In diesel vehicles, this is an active emission system. This injects ammonia or diesel emissions fluid directly into the exhaust gases. As a result, the nitrogen oxides are converted into nitrogen, water, and trace amounts of CO2. A diesel vehicle typically has 2 of these sensors, one prior to and one following the selective catalyst reduction system. The one before it measures how much nitrogen enters the system, and the other after measures how much nitrogen oxide is coming out, to make sure that the selective catalyst reduction system is doing its job. A failure is going to trigger most modern diesel vehicles to go into a limp mode home. You also might get an erratic idle and poor mileage.